Hey guys, I'm Cindy.
And I'm Cheli.
Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing Valentine's Day looks for you guys. So if you want to see how we got these, keep on watching.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN.
Alright guys, so I've already prepped my face. I used the Kypris antioxidant dew quench and glow serum. A few drops of this all over my face. And then I also primed with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer here and done my eyebrows, of course. So let's get into everything else.
Eye makeup.
Yes, let's get into the eyes.
I also just did some spot concealing a little bit. And the eyebrows off camera as well. So I'm just gonna go into the eyes.
Let's do this.
Straight to the eyes.
Let's get to the fun stuff, yeah? Use my ColourPop Truly Madly Deeply palette. This is gonna be very, very pinky today. So I'm gonna use Matter of Fact right here. Ooh. It's like a slight pinkish nude. I'm gonna put that on the brow bone.
So I'm gonna be using my Desi and Katie what's it called? Francation palette. I'm going to use the color Necessaries and just pop that on the crease. So who's excited for what is it called?
To All the Boys I've Loved. Oh, To All the Boys too. Yes, I Still Love You.
Have you guys seen the first one? Yes, no, maybe?
Let us know, yeah.
Are you guys planning on watching the second one? Have you guys read the books? What do you think about the books?
I love that movie. It's literally my favorite Netflix movie. It's great. Oh, sorry guys. I'm going in with my ColourPop Super Shock highlighter and Lunch Money, and I'm putting a little bit of that over the brow bone color I applied for a little bit of highlight. For a little bit of a pop, little pop, 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 pop. Oh, that fitted perfectly. Little pop, pop, pop. Little pop, pop here, little pop, pop there. Excuse me. Yeah.
So now I'm gonna go in with Girl Bye. Girl Bye. Bye. And ooh, it's a little dark. And I'm gonna place that in the outer corner.
I'm gonna go in with Made to Last right here. And I'm gonna apply that as my transition shade. It's like a mauve color. So now I'm gonna dip into my I Love Sarai ColourPop through my eyes palette. And I'm gonna go in with Misbehave. We're gonna throw that in the crease. Light it. It's very bright.
Is it?
It looks like it for sure. Yep. Oh, there's glitter in my hair, honey. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Nostalgia right here. And I'm gonna apply that to the lid.
Okay, I'm gonna use Cindy's palette and use Diva.
No, Divina.
Divina. And I'm placing that onto the outer corner to smoke it out a little bit. Just a little bit.
Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Nocturne right here. And then apply that to like the outer corner of the lid. Well, not the outer corner, but like The other side. Outer
The
part
other
of the lid.
side.
The other side of the lid, not the outer part. Great. Alright. Now I'm gonna go in with Divina. And that's going like right in the crease and on the outer corner of the eye. I really want to use this green. Obviously, not today.
Okay, I'm gonna use this ColourPop eyeshadow. The Super Shock Shadow and Birthday Wishes. And I'm gonna place that on the lid.
I think I'm being smothered by my own sweater.
But you know what? Use your finger. It's best. Best results or when you do it yourself.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Stila. What are these called? Metallic Dusty Rose. Magnificent Metals Eyes.
You are gonna use it? Wow.
Shortly. Just a little bit. Just a little. I'm gonna place that on the inner corner.
Just going to go right into my foundation now. Today I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the color Linen. Yeah? Sure? Yeah? This is gonna be my first time trying it, so I'm not sure how this is gonna look. So now I'm highlighting. So I conceal and I'm highlighting with the 16-hour Camo concealer from e.l.f. And I concealed, which one's darker? With medium beige, and I'm going to highlight with medium sand. So this is supposed to be the dupe of what? Turn?
So I'm also using my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. This is in vanilla.
Okay, I'm gonna set my face in that concealer that I just put on. Oh yeah, it's already creasing. Oh my god, I never creased that much.
Your concealer?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna warm up my face with this Too Faced concealer in medium deep. Whoever. What did we say this is called?
Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep.
Chocolate Soleil.
Oh, sorry. I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in Pale.
That's the name, really?
Yeah, it is. That's my shade name. Pale.
I'm gonna use this blush from Note in the color Desert Rose. Oh, a lot of fallout.
What? Well, I'm telling you, the world just gets me every time.
And I'm gonna do it over my nose too. Like I'm telling you guys, I'm going heavy. It's a vibe. So I'm gonna use the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter in the color Cotton Candy. Should I just use my hand?
I'm gonna set my face with my Gigi Gorgeous Translucent Powder. I'm gonna use my Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 200. And I'm going to bronze my face.
I'm gonna use my Artist Couture highlighter in the color Purple Dreams, and I'm gonna pop that on top of cotton candy. Whoa.
Oh wow.
I told you it was purple. Why you do that?
It didn't look like that on your hand.
I said, why you do that?
Why you?
Yeah, it's just morado. So after that, I'm going to go on the bottom lash line and apply the colors that I placed on the crease onto the bottom lash.
I never wear blush, but I'm gonna apply a little bit of blush today. Alright. This is the Milani Romantic Rose blush. Did you see that thing? I was like,
I said, it's a scary process. Tricky.
oh, I just used my ColourPop Super Shot highlighter. And on top of that, I'm going to go in with my Wander Beauty After Hours highlighter. Right on top. Right on top. Right on top of it.
Guys, I'm just drawing hearts on my face. Oh, sorry. So sorry.
You're like, oh, is your nose crooked now?
I was like, oh.
Is your nose crooked now?
Okay. We got done with that. Let's curl the lashes, alright? And pop on some mascara, maybe? I don't know. How are we feeling? Think
It's promising. I said, yeah. It's promising. It looks promising for mascara.
I want to use this Tarte mascara, Lights Camera Lashes.
Lights, camera, lashes.
I have this tiny one.
Lights, camera, lashes, go. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. I'm also gonna use this on top of the Lights Camera Action. I'm gonna use a Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. Lights. I don't know. Lights, camera, lashes.
That one mascara that I was using earlier.
That one.
I'm gonna use the Becky G and ColourPop lip liner and muñeca. A lip line. So I'm going in with the Dose of Colors liquid matte lip.
I'm like, what are you doing?
I'm going in with my Dose of Color liquid matte lipstick in Flirty. I'm gonna use this Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade lip gloss in the color Strawberry Lemonade.
Strawberry. And I'm gonna use my Milani, what is this? Amore Matte Lip Cream in Honey. Yeah, it's honey. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like these looks. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button so you get notified every time we upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next one.
Bye.